Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up your Cobra SC400 with an Android smartphone. And to do this, first thing is to download the Drive Smarter app on your Android device, and you can find it in the Google Play Store. So Drive Smarter, install it. When it's ready, click on the open. You will need to log in or register. So let's go for register. I don't have an account here, and I'm gonna create one off the screen. Next thing is to enable Bluetooth on your phone. Make sure that it's on, and here we can search for a device while using this app. Here we have it. We can continue. Do you plan to use mobile hotspot to connect your device? No, I plan to connect it without one. You can go with yes if you want. We can choose a new vehicle. Let's name it. Click on that car and connect the camera. You can set up new camera if you like. I'm gonna finish setup with only one. You can use Amazon Alexa if you like. I'm gonna skip it. And now it's ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.